Once you've removed your Model 8 seamer from its box, plug it into a GFCI outlet and it's ready to go. Each seamer arrives factory calibrated. To get started, press the blue power supply button located on the bottom left-hand side of the seamer. This will illuminate the LED lighting, letting you know that your seamer is ready for use. Next, open the splash guard door, set a filled can and end onto the base adapter, and close the door. Hit the green button on the top left side of the machine to start the cycle. Once the cycle is finished, open the door and remove the can. Keep in mind the blue power button can remain on during working hours and doesn't need to be turned off in between cycles. If the can stops spinning during the cycle, you may need to add one of the supplied shims under the black plastic base adapter. This is typically due to slight variations in can height from different manufacturers. Changing the tooling is simple, but it's possible to damage the seamer if the steps aren't followed properly. If the rollers or upper chuck are assembled incorrectly, it can lead to the rollers crashing into the chuck, which will harm the gear drive. First, swap the base adapter assembly by removing the quick release pin and pull the base shaft up and out. Replace it with the new assembly. To change the upper chuck, use a 3/16" hex wrench to remove the center fastener. Give the key a tap to get it started. Remove the roller assemblies using a 7/16" wrench. Make sure the bronze washer above the roller is also removed. When replacing the rollers, it's critical to locate them in the correct position. There are 3 tapped holes in the bottom of the pivot arms. Rollers for sizes 200, 202, and 206 ends go in the front hole position. Rollers for sizes 209 and 300 ends go in the center position. And rollers for size 401 ends go in the back position. Assemble the new upper chuck with a center screw and give the wrench a tap or two to lock it in place. For the rollers, make sure that the first operation roller is assembled in the left pivot arm and the second operation in the right as labeled on the rollers. Make sure the bronze top washer is centered on the axle before tightening the rollers to avoid pinching or deforming the washer. Anytime you change tooling, it's a good idea to manually check the roller clearance by pushing the roller forward by hand until the stop screw contacts the chuck bearing. If the roller contacts the chuck before the screw contacts the bearing, it's likely that either the chuck or rollers are the incorrect size or that the rollers are assembled in the wrong hole position. For more information, check out our other Model 8 tutorial videos.